Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and welcome to another view of our awesome beach this week. We had storms Monday, but I tell you what, Monday afternoon and then really Tuesday morning, the weather just turned perfect. And it's supposed to be like that, actually, other than a rain shower here or there for a while. And I think we're winding down those fronts that come through, or at least I hope we are, because I'm ready for that hot weather. And wanted to take this time to thank Aran and Franklin. You know, they were a big part of helping us rebuild after Ike. Did a bunch of work over here, checking roofs and stuff after Burl. And when Ike hit, they really went out of their way to get homes, the the plans drawn up for those that needed them, the engineering done, and they really take pride in their work, and they know the Texas coast and engineer a home to survive, if possible, a storm like Ike. A lot of the new homes over here did survive. Yeah, everyone lost their garage and their stairs, but it was amazing at the homes they engineered that were new, that made it through. And we've talked to Aran and Franklin for years now. They've been a big part of Team Bolivar, and just wanted to take this time to say thank you, for everything you do on Bolivar Peninsula, and along the Texas coast. They're not here; they cover all the way down to Florida, and so. And anytime there's a storm, they're on the ground assessing the situation, looking at structures to see how they can be built better, from storm surge criteria to wind loads and the winds. And so, we do shows with them quite a bit, and we're fixing to start back, probably with Dave and some of the engineers and that, at Aran and Franklin, to see what's changed, for 2026 and moving forward. They've got a great strong home protection program that they design to, and then also, or that they inspect to, and then they also, are a big part of working with people to build, the special, what is it called? Uh, it's not the strong home, that's the inspection program, but fortified home. They're real instrumental in that and building homes to that standard, to help you a little bit on your insurance and to make sure the home lasts. And they don't do just homes, they also do, lots. If you have bought a big plot of land and want to put in a subdivision, they can do the drainage and design and let you know exactly how much you have to build on. So anyway, just wanted to take this time to thank Aran and Franklin for everything they do on the Texas coast, excuse me, and along the Gulf Coast, to make sure our homes are built to a quality standard. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Just wanted to give you a peek at the beach and send out a big thank you to Aran and Franklin Engineering for being a big part of Team Bolivar and a big part of the Texas coast and home building. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore our 27 miles of beachfront paradise here on the upper Texas coast. And remember, can't make it down, you can always see Bolivar Live anytime through our 9 live webcams at BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com, the official tourism and visitors center website for the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.